Not a lot of mail time this time, but we are going to start with one troublesome truck, and here is another one. For a moment I thought it was a wobbly wheels troublesome truck. Here's another sad looking troublesome truck. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the side. Another sad one. That's sad. Twad. I need a little cleaning. Tomy. I hope I can remove that crayon marks. Boxcar troublesome truck. Breakdown train. This one does not come with the back with this support car. This one does. This kind of lime green. This is not the same, but anyways, not the same color. Here is a different troublesome truck. These little logs are for this little hopper car. So there is another one here. Good. And another sad troublesome truck. What is this box? I don't think it belongs to Thomas. This one does. Oliver's coaches. Yeah, these are the original ones for Oliver. And this dusty, really dusty. Oh, whoa, very dusty. Mighty Mac. It looks like it has been played a lot and stored for a longer period of time. We're gonna find out in a minute if this works. Here's another broken old Gordon. The good thing comes with the battery cover. The bad thing is that I will not be able to. Yeah, I could make it run. The problem is that it's really fragile already. See the turquoise, the tail color. It's indicated that this plastic is really dry. Hard, and it will break easily once you start turning the screw. Here is Spencer. A bunch of tracks. Diesel 10. And I think we're almost done with this. Here's SC Ruffy, another troublesome truck with a green color. Don't remember. Bunch of tracks. I think is that mate weight? Yes, mate weight. These are really hard to find sometimes. Actually you cannot find this sign. Good. Now, before we proceed, I want to say thank you to these companies for sending me these products. Also, another Lytmi, CozyFit pairs of over-the-ear, whatever headphones, and this electric cleaning brush. I'll do a video for them separately, but I cannot. But the only thing I'm gonna show you is this little thing here. This is a quick showcase. I think it comes with where's the USB cable? Yes, there is one USB-C cable right there, and this little box. These are very lightweight, very small. They're trying to pair. See the little red blue light? And this thing is magnetic, so it does charge. It is charging right there. I'll do a video review for these things later. But anyways, let's focus on Thomas. That's nice. The temptation to open it. And anyways, let's begin with Mighty Mac. Where's my... See, I couldn't avoid to open these things. This is a USB-C USB charger. There's a USB-C port right here. It's a spinning brush. but I'm going to use this for, you know what, Thomas models, to polish the rooftops. Obviously after you clean them. That is great. It comes with a lot of, it started looking shiny already. Yeah, that gives a good polish, but I need to clean it, of course, give it a little wash. That looks good. Comes with a lot of attachments. I'll do a video for them later. See, this past week I spent almost 5 days in bed. I was kind of sick with the flu. This is working, but anyways, I also took my time to hold on. So the little time I had to, this is working great. Little noise maybe. So I spent the time also answering some emails. This one needs a little I need to replace that cog. Unfortunately, I drop it and I make a big dent here. See this piece come off, but anyways, these are not really expensive actually, but it's working. So I think it was the day before yesterday. I woke up and I was printing these 3D the 3D faces for the one of these custom models that I'm about to finish. This one is working too. That's good. You know what? I don't know if I can put it for sale like this. I don't like it. I don't like to sell it, all broken. But anyways, maybe I have another one for 7. So what I was saying is I started to answer one email. I was printing one thing and I was supposed to start recording some videos, but I was a little sick. This one is also working. And then I answered one email and I got bombarded with a lot of emails from different companies. And they say, hey, I'm going to send you this, I want to send you that, so I'm going to send you this and that and that. So there are tons of products coming on the way. I'm going to open another channel because I like to focus on this. But the thing is that they want me to showcase this. They just want me to show you and share these products. And some they ask me for the this look nice actually. Check the link in the description. So they want me to share these products with you. So I'm not buying anything. Like I say, if you are interested, check the link in the description. This thing is looks like has a USB whatever thing, is chargeable. This one is good for cleaning. I'll do a short video for them, but anyways, I'm trying not to mix them, but well, I'm gonna keep doing. Anyways, check the link in the description for all these products, and I will post some videos soon.